Hello everyone, this is China KIS. Today, I will introduce a calcium ion water quality sensor, the KIS-100, which is mainly used to measure the concentration of calcium ions in water. First, let's take a look at the wiring. The black wire is the power negative, 12 to 24 volts. The red wire is the power positive. The yellow wire is the 4 to 20 mA signal line. The white wire is 485B. And the blue wire is 485A. All the wires have already been connected, and now we will power on the device. This is our ammeter, and it is currently connected to a 12-volt power supply. Please wait a moment. The device is starting up. Data reading. After the startup is complete, we open the upper computer software. At present, we have prepared two types of water samples. One is tap water, and the other is purified water. First, we will use tap water as an example for the demonstration. This software supports both Chinese and English interfaces. And here, we will demonstrate using the English interface. Select the COM5 port. Click Open. Then click Find. And the detected device address is 17. Next, select the unit as milligrams per liter. Then click Read to obtain the data. This value shows the calcium ion concentration in tap water. This value shows the temperature of the tap water. Here, the read and write registers are configured. Next, we will replace the tap water with purified water and read the measurement data once again. Select the COM5 port. Click Open. Then click Find. Then click Read to obtain the data. Next, select the unit as milligrams per liter. This is the calcium ion concentration in purified water, 1.21 milligrams L, and the temperature is 20.2 degrees Celsius. We understand your needs.